I'm so excited to see where this is gonna go.
Let's call it. Do you wanna see my ding dong? Okay. Tirth Persana chats leaked.
हुआ क्या मतलब what was the tea?
The tea is कि I believe he was Lucifer वाला नहीं, he was DMing a girl on Instagram जो उसे I think Hinge से मिली थी, like he was talking on Hinge and then they moved to Instagram और उसके फिर ये chat के screenshots leak हुए हैं. So how long have you been using Hinge for? A little while, enjoying the thrill of meeting new people. Us, bro, it's fun meeting new people. I agree, bro. वैसे, do you have any interesting hobbies? Wait, video वाला play करता हूँ, उसमें होगा, yes. There. अरे full screen हो गया बहन. Yeah.
मुझे सारी पढ़नी भाई, तो बिल्कुल excited हूँ.
Yeah, us, bro, it's fun meeting new people. So what about you? I am more into reading books. इससे पहले इसने by the way for context लिखा था कि like as such कोई hobbies नहीं है, पर I do like playing Valorant with my boys. And he says, so what about you? So she says, I'm more into reading books. Have you ever heard of Lucifer Was Innocent?
क्या आपने कभी टीवी देखा है? मैं भी आती थी टीवी में.
Bro's using Hinge for his book promotion. That's insane, by the way, first of all.
मैं ब्रो हिंज पे लड़के ढूंढ के उनको अपने YouTube पे सब्सक्राइब करवाती हूँ. That's the way to.
Do you like fantasy books?
I'm so excited. I'm so excited to see where this is gonna go.
Let's call it. उसने कुछ बोला होगा. Then straight up next. Are you virgin? Question mark. What the fuck? Obviously. And then
Me asking the mojito if it's a virgin.
And then that's not the craziest part. It gets worse. And then the next is, do you crave for ding dongs?
Dude, no way he's talking like this. This is not real. He must be doing a prank.
Oh God, I hope it's a fucking prank, man.
This can't be real. No one talks like this.
It's a horrible prank, but I hope, God, I hope it's a prank, man.
आगे क्या बोला उसने? Do you crave for ding dongs? Then
She says weirdo, and he says कि I thought you would love talking dirty, bro. Tirth.
ding dong is talking dirty. Ding dong.
That's just talking goofy. Then he says कि she says कि bro Tirth, that's so disgusting. And then he says, I'm an open book, BBG. Haha, what are your intentions, to be honest? Just wanna see the other side of you. Such a despo, I swear to God.
It's alright, I totally understand.
Yeah, they're sad. They're sad.
तो पूरा पढ़. It's alright, I totally understand that, but it's
not my fault. तुम हो ही इतनी hot. Sorry यार.
I can't control myself.
bro. What the fuck, Tirth? Are you alright? You should just give some time to yourself, Tirth.
Why is she still replying to him? I don't understand.
तो she's अब पता नहीं. I do not know कि why she was still like अभी तक बात क्यों कर रही है. No clue whatsoever. She says कि what are you looking for actually, Tirth? He says, can I see what your beautiful body looks like under those clothes? Can I like? Tirth, is this you? You are hacked or what? He says, no, shits are getting out of hand now. Whatever that means.
Like he's got diarrhea or something.
I wish. Oh my fucking God! ये मैं पढ़ना भी नहीं चाहता. On God.
What was it?
It says, I wish you were here right now. I would rub my fingers up and down your wet hoo-ha. Let's call it hoo-ha. Oh no! Oh no!
Bro, मेरी तो स्टोरीज के रिलेशन में तो कुछ भी नहीं है. हाँ है तो फिर ऐसा ही है, फिर शायद से.
Bro, fuck. And then he follows up with, do you wanna see my ding dong? Oh God.
No, I'm literally, I'm uncomfortable, dude. I'm unhappy.
ब्रो इसके बाद वाला तो मैं दिखाना भी नहीं चाह ओह हेल ना हेल ना
There's more. इसके बाद भी है, इसके बाद आगे भी इसने कुछ किया है.
इसके बाद apparently he sent his ding dong pic to her.
तभी इसने
I suppose he ends up big time भाई. या तो वो बहुत ज्यादा नशे में था, या फिर उसका अकाउंट हैक्ड है, या फिर this is some horrible prank जिसमें he ends up sending a ding dong pic. I have had the fortune of meeting Teerth playground के audition पे. शोभिका भी उससे मिली थी उस टाइम पे I think. Like all of met him. And Teerth actually select हुआ था. I don't remember. I think वो Power Phoenix में था. Teerth was supposed. मेरे को Instagram पे DM कर uncensored वाले पिक्चर का लिंक. मैं भी देखूंगा, शोभिका को दिखाने की कोशिश करूंगा. I don't think कि वो मानेगी, पर I can try.
वंशज की स्ट्रीम चेक करूं अपने फोन पे.
Hey yo, Shobs, Arman wants to show you that ding dong pic, वो भी uncensored.
Oh yeah, show the ding dong pic, bro. Come on.
Bro, what the fuck? I thought कि तू थोड़ी रेजिस्टेंस देगी. I was like, नहीं मुझे मत दिखाना. like, तो एक सेकंड के लिए देख ले.
बस एक
Just straight up हाँ दिखा जल्दी.
कलाई ना मोड़ पिया, तोरी कलाई ना छोड़ेंगे हम, तोरे बिन हम अधूरे.
I'm back, guys. We can
I'm
chill
back,
now.
bitches.
हम लाइस की
Need
बात
some
कर रहे
lice.
थे. और कहाँ से शुरू हुई यार?
Lice and Teerth story.
तीर्थ की तुमने देखी?
हाँ अभी दिखाया मैंने
Dude,
इसको.
मैं तो शॉक में चली गई, dude. ऐसे कौन बात करता है? Oh my god, I was like, bro, ये सच में ऐसे बात कर रहा है, dude. He must have been on acid or something, bro.
ये मेरा ऑरा प्लस क्यों कर रहे हैं फेक चैट में? मैंने तो
Done, yeah. I need to stream something on my channel. I
Yeah.
never streamed. I'm gonna force you and Vanshaj to come.
W Shobika in the chat, please. Thank you so much. It was great having you guys as well.
कलाई ना मोड़ पिया, तोरी कलाई ना छोड़ेंगे हम, तोरे बिन हम अधूरे.
वाला thing. इधर स्क्रीन के इधर ला. Yeah.
Wait, dude, my